Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. On today's video I made 4 simple wall art. The first idea is I made this. So I found this photo of this wall art. It's made out of metal and it's more than $100. But then I went to a local store and I found these placemats. They are made out of plastic and they have different shapes and color. And they were $2 each. So I got them all different colors and shapes and then I hung them in the wall, and voila, it looks pretty much the same for what, $10? And here it is. For the second idea is I made this canvas. All I did is I took a shower curtain that I found, I think it was at Marshall's, and I had this old canvas painting and it was large enough, but I didn't want to paint over that paint already. So all I did is I put a white sheet on top of it and then I staple it to the back in case I want to remove and use the old painting. So I used this white sheet and I covered the whole thing. And so I finished covering the canvas with the white sheet. Now I lay the shower curtain on top and I moved it around just to capture the exact design or the flowers that I wanted to see. And then I staple it on the back and voila, here is the wall art. I also tried it with another shower curtain, you can see at the lower left corner, but I like the one that is hanging. And for the third idea, I was inspired by this liane for art. I did it on a way smaller scale. So I took this pack of 3 8x10 canvas and I have this white raffia ribbon and I just weaved and made it in the color white and in the color beige, as you're gonna see later on. Here it is in two different colors. Now for the third idea, I wanted to try this wall hanging that I also found in the internet, and it was over $100. So I found this wood stick or dowels, no, I would say wood sticks, and they're flat. And then I found this pack of 6 wooden rectangles. I got them at Walmart, and I laid them down. I only got one pack. I should have gotten another one. So if you wanted to go bigger, you can get 2 or 3 packs. They were like $2 something. And all I did is I laid them down, and then I glued the wooden sticks on the back. So this wood rectangle, I turned it around because the words, they were coming through. The paint wouldn't cover it because, you know, I like to paint and then remove the excess or wipe out the excess paint with a paper towel. And I use the antique Waverly chalk paint for the rectangles, and for the wood sticks, I use black acrylic paint. Guys, here's the finished product. As you can see, if you want to go bigger, just buy more rectangles. Hope you like this video. Remember to subscribe and give it a thumbs up. Be safe, everyone.